See Nana, image formation by convex lens. Okay, first case, object where it will be at infinity, object is at infinity distance. Okay, so this is the ray diagram. O optic center, principal axis, f1, 2f1, f2, 2f2. Okay, Nana. From object we will get infinity. How many rays we have to draw? Minimum 5 rays are enough. Okay, Nana. So all the incident rays are parallel to the principal axis. Definitely after refraction, after striking the lens, they will pass through focus. Through focus. Straight line means it goes in the same direction. See Nana. So these are actual rays only, no? They are converging at this point. So what type of image we will get? Definitely real image and inverted image. Real image always inverted, and where it is formed at f2, image formed at f2. Okay, so this is the reason convex lens is used as magnifying lens. Magnifying lens, and with the help of this property, with the help of this one, we can burn a paper also. If you place here a paper in the sun, in the sunlight, if you place a paper at this point, the paper will burn due to this property only, because convex lens is converging lens. Okay, next, second case, object is beyond 2f2. Beyond 2f2 means here. So from this case onwards, we require two rays enough, no? Parallel. Definitely it passes through focus. And second one, through optic center. Through optic center. Okay, no? If you can draw in that notebook by using scale and pencil, you will get correct diagrams only. See, no? This is the intersect point. So here image will be where in between f2 and 2f2, and object is above the principal axis, image is below the principal axis. So again, real image, inverted image, and size will be some extent less only than this object. So small image, smaller image, and where it is formed in between f2 and 2f2, image formed at in between f2 and 2f2. And third case, we have to shift that object at 2f1. Okay, okay, see children, I forgot here, I wrote 2f2, I think beyond 2f1 here. Okay, 2f1 here, 2f2. Okay, now at 2f1 the object is shifted to at 2f1. See Nana, parallel incident ray passing through focus, incident ray passing through optic center, it passes in the straight line only. Both the rays intersect at this point, 2f2. So if the object is at 2f1, image will be at 2f2. It is similar case in the case of concave mirror, because if you place object at the center, again image will be formed at center only. See here, again it is formed below the principal axis. So real, inverted. Here what? Same size. Here it is same size objects, same size as the object only, the image will be formed. And at 2f2 the image will be formed at 2f2. Okay, and like this only we can shift that object towards the lens. Now we shift that object from 2f1 to in between 2f1 and f1. So by placing an object here, first one, parallel ray passing through focus, passing through focus. Second one is through optic center, through optic center. So it passes directly without any deviation. So this is the point of intersection. So this is image. See Nana, this is size of the object, but our image bigger. So what is the nature of image? The nature of image is real, inverted, bigger size is bigger, and formed beyond 2f2. Image is formed beyond 2f2. This is the nature of image. And next case, we have to shift that one at 2f1. We have to place object at f1, parallel through focus and through optic center. See now, these rays after refraction are parallel to each other. So we will say that they may be intersect at a distance infinity. So anyway, that image is formed below the principal axis only. Again, real image, inverted image, bigger in the size, big size of image, and formed at infinity. Okay. And last case, we have to shift that object in between f1 and optic center. Place the object in between f1 and O, parallel passing through focus. Second one is through, where it will be through optic center. See Ranam. Now the distance between these two rays, it is going on increasing. So definitely we have to extend these lines. Then I am arranging this. We have to extend back side. See, this is the image. Object is same side of the lens, image also same side of the lens, and bigger in the size. That too, this is formed by extended rays only. So this is special case. The nature of the image is virtual and erect, highly magnified image. Where it is formed? Here, same side of the object. Same side of object. This is special case number. Important case and special case also. Okay, in this way you can easily draw ray diagrams in the lenses. Okay, in the next class we will discuss image formation by concave lens and the power of the lens. Okay, now.